Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80090017, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, then select Other Troubleshooters and then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script here. Copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. So this will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and then it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.